In this lecture, we again take some more examples on the set which will not satisfy the property of vector space, hence they are not a vector space. Again, we have one example, let v equal to r cube and operations x1, y1, z1 plus x2, y2, z2, which is equal to x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2, z1 plus z2, and k times of x1, y1, z1, which is equal to kx1, 0, 0. Check whether V is a vector space or not. Again, we give only the one axiom which is not satisfied by this set. So this will be not a vector space. So we know that the 10th property of the vector space is unitary law, which states that 1 into x equal to x for x belongs to V. Let k belongs to R and x, y, z belongs to V. Then consider k times of x, y, z, which is equal to k times of x according to this definition, kx 0, 0. Put k equal to 1, we have 1 into x, y, z equal to k is 1, so 1 into x 0, 0, which is equal to x 0, 0, which is not equal to x, y, z. As per unitary law, if x, y, z is element of V, then 1 into x, y, z should be equal to x, y, z. So since 1 into x is equal to x for all x belongs to V is not satisfied by the given set of element, therefore V is not a vector space. Let us give one more example. Let V equal to R cube and operations x1, y1, z1 plus x2, y2, z2, which is equal to x1 plus x2, y1 plus y2, z1 plus z2, and k times of x1, x1, y1, z1 equal to 3kx1, 3ky1, 3kz1. We have to check whether this V is a vector space or not. Again, we only check the one property, and that property is unitary law. We know that 1 into x, which is equal to x for all x belongs to V. So let us consider k belongs to R and x, y, z belongs to V. Then consider k times of x, y, z, which is equal to, according to this definition, 3kx, 3ky, 3kz. If we put k equal to 1, we have 1 into x, y, z is equal to 3 into 1 into x, 3 into 1 into y, 3 into 1 into z, which gives us 3x, 3y, and 3z, which is not equal to x, y, z. As per the unitary law, here x is what? X is the x, y, z. So 1 into x, y, z, it should be equal to x, y, z. But here 1 into x, y, z is not equal to x, y, z. It is 3x, 3y, 3z. Again, since 1 into x equal to x for all x belongs to V is not satisfied, therefore, the given set of element is not a vector space. Thank you.